Good afternoon from UP Alianza, Alianza ng mga mag-aaral para sa panlipunang katwiran at kaunlaran.
From the Student Alliance for the Advancement of Democratic Rights in UP, or STAND UP.
I'm Revi Rapalio from the College of Engineering.
From the School of Economics, Amancio Melati III. Despite the fact that we come from two different political parties, Revi and I agreed upon that we become part of the Amazing Race Philippines as an opportunity for us then to showcase to the rest of the UP community, to the rest of the population that we have here in the Philippines, that despite the fact that we have differences in political stances, we become united with a particular goal.
So as we graduate this April, we would like to show to the UP students, UP community, and the Filipino youth that by being united, there is something bigger that we can do. Through unity, we can have a more effective way of propelling the concern and welfare of the students and the Filipino youth.
More than the challenge of us taking into their physical strengths and physical abilities, what we want them to forward are the Filipino interests and the campaigns that we will be forwarding for the people and to the rest of the UP community.
So simply, we are scholars in action, driven by passion.